Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third subdivision in question 1 in exercise 3.3. Now let us look at the problem first. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. The equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So first let's make a note of these two equations. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. I'm going to rearrange these two equations slightly. So let's see how the first one goes. So this is 3x minus 5y is equal to plus 4. I'm just collecting all the variables one side and the constant the other side. Similarly, let's do it for the second equation. So 9x minus 2y is equal to plus 7. So these are the actual way equations. Now we are going to use both the methods to solve this. So first let's start with elimination method. So in elimination method, I need to remove one variable. It is going to be easy to multiply the first equation by 3, that by eliminating the x. So let's multiply the first equation by 3 here. So this equation will become 9x minus 15y is equal to 12. The second equation I am retaining it as such. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now subtract between these two equations. Remember, when I have to subtract, I change the sign for every term. So don't fail to do it. Otherwise, sometimes you end up getting a wrong answer. So 9x minus 9x, this gets eliminated. Minus 15y plus 2y is minus 13y. 12 minus 7 is 5. So this means y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So let's make a note of this. I'm going to substitute this value of y inside the equation to get the value of x. So I'm going to use of this value of y in the second equation. So 9x minus 2 into minus 5. So I'm marking this as plus 10 by 13 is equal to 7. I'm going to take it the other side. So 9x is equal to 7 minus 10 by 13. So now I'm going to do a LCM treating this as 1. So this is 13. 13 into 7. 13 into 7 is actually 91 minus 10. So this is 9x is equal to 91 minus 10 by 13. So 9x is equal to 81 by 13, which means x is equal to 81 by 9 into 13. I'm bringing the 9 down, right? So this is going to be cancelled out. X is equal to 9 by 13. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. We have got these values by the method of elimination. Now let us do the same process with the method of substitution, because we are supposed to do both the methods. So now let's do the same process with substitution, just to be, we are going to get these two answers back. So let's see how to do that. So in substitution, I'm taking the first equation, 3x is equal to 4 plus 5y. Okay, and this means x is equal to 4 plus 5y by 3. I'm going to put this value of x inside the second equation. So 9 into 4 plus 5y by 3 minus 2y is equal to 7. This 3 I can cancel with this 9, making it 3. So 4 3s are 12 plus 15y minus 2y is equal to 7. So this is going to be 15 minus 2y, which is 13y, is equal to 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So y is going to be equal to minus 5 by 13. So you don't need to calculate once again the x, but because they asked the substitution method, do once again, but you're going to get the same answer or the same step again. So 9x plus, I'm substituting the value of this y here in this equation. So 10 by 13 is equal to 7. We could do the same simplification. 9x is equal to 91 by 10 by 13. So 9x on simplification gives you 81 by 13. When on simplification, x is equal to 9 by 13. So you get to have the same answer once again. Now let us verify that our answer is right by substituting these two values in both the equations. So let's see here, 3 into what is the value of x? 9. So 9 3s are 27. So 27 by 13 minus 5 into, I have to put this minus of minus 5, right? So this is plus 25 by 13 minus 4. I have to check whether this is equal to 0. So now that the base is same, no LCM required, simply add the tops. So 27 plus 22 is going to give me a 52 by 13 minus 4. Actually 52 by 13 is 4 times. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So the first equation condition matches. Now let's try the second one. 9 into x, that is going to be getting 81 by 13 is equal to, I'm going to put the same value of y here. So this is minus 5 into 2. So minus 10 by 13 plus 7 I need to check. So I'm bringing it this side. This time the minus and the minus will become plus 91 by 13, which is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7. So in both the equation, we were able to substitute our values and verify that the answer is correct. Please remember, this step is not a part of the answer. It is a verification that you do for yourselves to be very confident that your answer is right. You can do it in the rough column of your answer paper when you have time, just to check your answers are right. Don't show these calculations in the main workout sheet. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth subdivision in this particular question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.